Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. So we are looking at the daily chart here, and as mentioned in the previous video, we had initial signals that a low formed in this fourth wave, okay, which bottomed potentially here this week at around 78,500. So we already saw, especially on the smaller time frames, indications that a low had formed. How could we do that? By looking at the Elliott Wave microstructure. We had a 5-wave move up from the low. Of course, very early evidence, but you see in this case it was quite good evidence. In addition to that, not only that, but we also landed in the Fibonacci support zone. I mentioned to you in the last video that the fact that we held above the 38.2 retracement and avoided any sustained break below also suggested further that we could be in a bullish mode still. And then also, of course, you know, we had the oversold reading on the relative strength index, which was here. Oversold. We're now already back to 50 on the relative strength index. We were already at around 25. Crazy. But yeah, that is why I said to you before, this is a really good signal for buying. Now, I'm not telling you to buy, that's personal decision, but from a chart point of view, from an indicator point of view, the daily RSI oversold, really good signal. That's also why we are watching for a rally, either in the white count or the red count. So both white and red are short-term bullish, and it will be this rally here and the subsequent pullback that will give us an answer whether we can get even another rally afterwards. So idea is a fourth wave bottom this week, and the rally would be an ABC structure, ABC. The question is, do we get this C wave up? Because the white count suggests for an ABC structure, whereas in the red count, this first rally will be enough, and then we'll head down. So once we get this move up complete, which in the white count would be an A wave, in the red count would be a B wave, we have to be very careful and have to watch how the subsequent pullback unfolds, which would be white wave B in the bullish count. Yeah, the bullish count, this could be a higher low then, and then we get another rally up. But we'll talk about that, you know, as soon as we have the wave count to the upside complete. Should go a bit higher. And overall, as you know, my ideal scenario is still for the price to get to round about 130k. That would be ideal at least. Let's take a look at the smaller time frame for Bitcoin. Smaller time frame suggests here that we are now in this third wave rally. So quick reminder, from the low that formed on Friday, we had seen a 5-wave move up, 3-wave pullback. Could be a 1-2 setup and another 1-2, or the wave 2 is up over here. Makes sense as well. Doesn't make a great difference in terms of levels that are relevant. For now, I assume that we are here in this third wave, which should get to the 138% extension at around 97,000. So 138% extension is typically the first ideal target for a third wave. And the market could go a little bit higher, should get to 97,050 for a first, let's say to reach the first ideal target for that third wave. At the moment, therefore, I assume that this here could be an internal fourth wave pullback. We get one more high in wave 5 of 3, then a larger 4, then the 5th. And then we've got all 5 waves completed in circle 1. So until then, till we get all these 5 waves completed, and as I said, for upside trend continuation, support is now at 90,000, at $90,050. So as long as we stay above that level, the overall focus could be on higher prices, whether that is a still unfolding yellow wave C of 4, which is short-term bullish, but potentially can lead to another low, or whether it's the white count in which we can get 2 more swing highs, 2 more highs basically to the upside, to complete wave 1. And the 5th wave of wave 1 should get to at least the 161.8 extension, 99,418. So that should give you all the levels for now. Any break below 90,050 will be a first indication that we have topped in circle wave 4 in yellow and we're moving down to around about 75k. That's still on the table. I would call that an alternative because as long as we are above micro support at 90,050, the overall focus could be on higher prices for now. So yeah, that's the update for Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Here, today I uploaded a video about Supra. You guys voted for that. It's somewhere to be found here on our channel. Uploaded a video about Supra, and that was one that you guys voted for, for me to cover basically. In addition to that, here's a discount code if you want to try our gold membership for the first month. It is 50% discounted. Yeah, thank you very much. Bye-bye.